Hello, CS50. Welcome to FlikrPikr. My name is George, and this is my final project for Harvard's CS50 web programming course. FlikrPikr is a comprehensive movie and TV show database designed for film buffs, movie lovers, and cinephiles alike. Built using Python, JavaScript, Django, and Bootstrap, FlikrPikr integrates the Open Movie Databases API to provide detailed information on films and shows. The app's default index route kicks off with a splash screen featuring a collage of movie posters. To access the app's full functionality beyond the index page, users need to either register or log in. Let's go ahead and log in now. Once logged in, we can start searching for film titles. The search field allows users to search for titles by keyword, displaying results on the page based on the entered keyword. Clicking on a movie poster takes users to the film's page where they can view detailed information about the title. Users could add the movie to their personal list by clicking the bookmark icon. They can also watch the trailer on OMDb, leave comments, and like comments from other users. Clicking on the username in the upper right loads the profile page, where users can view the titles they've added to their list, along with the number of followers they have and the users they are following. Top Rated showcases the highest rated titles from user lists, filtered by OMDb ratings. Users can view other user lists by clicking the corresponding button. You can follow or unfollow a user by clicking the button at the top. That was the front end of our website, the part users interact with. Now let's switch over to the code that powers the application behind the scenes. We're using a typical Django file structure here. Our Python code handles most of the heavy lifting, including the logic and data processing. The database is connected to various models which help manage and organize our data. On the front-end side, we have HTML files that extend from a main layout template, ensuring consistency across pages. The CSS style sheet manages the visual design, while static files like icons and images are also organized here. Lastly, our JavaScript code tracks front-end interactions, ensuring a dynamic user experience. By utilizing the Bootstrap framework, the app is fully responsive. As the page width decreases, the components dynamically adjust and rearrange. Additionally, once a certain breakpoint is reached, the navbar collapses, with the options hidden behind a simple button. This was CS50 Web. While there's always more to explore, let's wrap things up for today. You've just seen FlikrPikr, my final project for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thank you to everyone who followed my progress. Although my time with CS50 Web has come to an end, my work on this project and programming in general will continue, so stay tuned for more updates. Once again, thank you. My name is George Trapp, and this was CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript.